What's up, guys? We are here at Outlaw Speedway. Last minute decision to run a Thursday night race. So yeah, Outlaw for the first time in a couple years actually. Last time I was here was a SCDRA race, and I think that was 2024. And we did pretty good. We ended up finishing second for that race. So car felt good in hot laps. I just threw the GoPros on, and we're starting pole in heat 2, and we'll see how it goes. It's 1,078 to win tonight. Now, random number, but that's what it is. $1,078 to win. Wish me luck. All right, well, heat 1's on the racetrack. We are pole heat 2. Track looks, I mean, it looks better than it did in hot laps. Hopefully it is better. We were 6th fastest in hot laps, which, I mean, it's hot laps. It's not like I was just feeling the car out. It's not like we were really worried about what we were doing. The temperature dropped so quickly that everything's kind of fogging up, getting dewy. So I hope the lenses on the 360 aren't too foggy. I wiped them off quick before I hopped in the car, but the temperature drop is, yeah. It went from like 90 degrees down to like 80 degrees or less. I don't know. I haven't looked at it in a while, but that's a big difference. Well, we were definitely faster, but I wasn't going to risk wrecking the car. It's $1,000 to win tonight. We're not going to wad the car up in the heat race. Definitely not doing that. So, second place is plenty good enough. Temperature about 190, so we're good. I mean, Jason was right on us, but it's kind of the same deal, I think. He wasn't going to risk it, not in a heat race. He's in redraw. So, we were both being smart. 11th place is not the best starting position, but that's what we got. All right, so definitely some cars here that are faster than me, so we're gonna need a little bit of luck to mix with the skill, and we'll see what we can come up with. Looks like the bottom of the racetrack actually came around a little bit. That's a surprise. It was soaking wet earlier. Bottom of this front stretch is still a swamp. What's the bottom of 1 and 2 look like? Not terrible. There might be some bite down there. That might be usable. There's a little bit of bite down there. We might actually be able to use that. What is that, pace lap number 5 or 6? We just out here driving in circles. Driving in circles. Nonsense, poopy pants. Pace lap number 8. Still no flagman. This is what boredom in a race car looks like. I think it's like midnight right now, or pretty close to it. Pretty sure it's midnight. Maybe even be after midnight. Got an hour and a half drive home. What are we doing? Are we stopping? Just making it interesting, huh? Sure. Let's go slower. It wasn't boring enough. Let's crawl. It's the pace truck running out of gas. So there I was, doing 5 miles an hour around Outlaw Speedway. I said to myself, "Self, you got a lot of work to do. Let's just barely roll. Let's see if we can stall the cars out." Oh, we're back in second gear. Oh, the flagman is thinking about getting back up in the flag stand. It's the thought that counts. White flag. Go green next time by. I'm not sure what that was all about. offs on. Should have known better running with rear wheel drives. Temperature's 200. One of two things is happening. Either my power steering gave up on me, or I got a right front axle that's about to give out on me. One or the other. We got some tight spots in the axle in something. Something's got some tight spots in it. I don't know. Kind of feels like I have power steering. It could be intermittent. I've had that happen before, where the power steering kind of comes and goes, but I keep getting tight spots. The track's actually pretty good. We almost got caught up when that 87 car died. That cost us a spot. I mean, we gained one and lost one, so I mean, it is what it is. Other than the steering stiffening up on me, whatever we got going on there, the car's running pretty good. I mean, it broke up on me a couple times there, so I don't know if we got a coil wear or something. It broke up on me twice, but and it's been clear ever since. You know, I guess I don't know. We got something going on. Holy crap. This thing is not easy to drive right now. I don't know what it is, man. The power steering is like coming and going. It fell on its face there a minute ago. I think we got more than one issue. I'm wondering if it's straight up intermittent power loss, like a voltage issue, because that would do both, right? That would make it fall on its face, and it would make the power steering give out on me if we had some type of, you know, power cable issue. It could definitely be a problem. Hopefully it, you know, stays away for the last, what do we got left? We have 4 laps left. It needs to stay away for 4 laps. And I need one more position for any decent money at all. One more. I need one more. We went 11th to 4th. Yeah, we gotta check. We're gonna have to check some power cables or something. It's weird. It definitely feels like an electrical issue all the way around. Rotate, baby, rotate, come on. I had to brake. I had to brake. Breaking up on me. Stay together, baby. Stay together. Come on. Come on. Dang it. 2 to go. I don't think I got anything for these front 2 cars. But my car is not in good shape. We got some serious issues. I don't know what they are. But every caution's hurting me. Every caution, because it seems to be getting worse. We got to make it 2 more. We're in the money now. We're in the top 3. So we got to get these 2 laps out of the way. It died on me and it came back to life. Hopefully I get my spot back. Don't do that again to me. Come on, baby. We got 1 lap. Honey, I need you to stay alive for 1 lap. We were in the money. Please don't fall on your face again. Let's gain 2 positions at least here. Come on! Come on, sweetheart! Come on, baby girl! I'm beyond mad. We had money. We had money in our pockets, and the fucking car shut off. Oh, son of a bitch. Hell of a run to have a stupid fucking problem.